pituitary gland, also known as the hypophysis. So we have the anterior pituitary gland, also referred to as adenohypophysis, and the posterior pituitary gland, also referred to as the neurohypophysis. So in total, the pituitary gland produces around 11 hormones. 8 from the anterior and 3 are stored in the posterior pituitary gland. Remember, the pituitary gland is also referred to as the master gland. It's a small pea size, okay, gland that is normally located at the base of the brain, the cellular to ceca bone. It plays a critical role in regulating various physiological processes in the body by producing and releasing hormone. When you look at the anterior pituitary gland, the adenohypophysis, the first hormone is ACTH, and ACT stands for adrenocorticotropic hormone. So the ACTH stimulates the adrenal gland to produce cortisol, a hormone that is normally involved in the stress response, also metabolism and immune function. The second hormone from the adenohypophysis is the TSH, and TSH stands for thyroid-stimulating hormone. Thyroid-stimulating hormone regulates the activity of the thyroid gland, promoting the production and release of thyroid hormones, that is the T3 and the T4, which are very crucial for metabolism and energy regulation. The third hormone is LH. And what does LH stand for? Luteinizing hormone, correct. So, it's involved in the reproductive function. In female, it normally triggers the ovulation, okay, and helps in the corpus luteum. Whereas in males, it stimulates the production of testosterone. The fourth hormone is follicle-stimulating hormone, and is more related to LH. Okay, so the FSH is important in reproductive function. In females, it stimulates the growth of ovarian follicles and the production of the estrogen hormone. While in males, you'll find that it stimulates sperm production in the testes. The fifth hormone from the anterior pituitary gland is prolactin hormone. Okay, this abbreviated as PRL. And PRL stimulates milk production, that is lactation, in the mammary glands of nursing mothers, and it also plays a role in various reproductive function. The next hormone is GH, and GH is abbreviated as growth hormone. It's also known as somatotropin. And this one, it normally stimulates growth and cell reproduction in bones, muscles, and other tissues. It's essential for normal physical growth during childhood and adolescence. The seventh hormone is the bilipotropin. So guys, have you heard of bilipoproteins? So generally lipotropins includes the alpha and beta. Okay, the alpha, we have the alpha and the beta lipotropins. They play a role in lipid metabolism and may be involved in regulating fat breakdown and energy balance. The last hormone is the MSH. And what does MSH stand for? Melanocyte-stimulating hormone. And MSH stimulates skin pigmentation by stimulating the production of melanin in melanocytes and plays a role in body response to UV light and inflammation. After listing and identifying the 8 hormones from the anterior pituitary gland, it's high time now we look at the posterior pituitary gland. And the posterior pituitary gland is a storage, and it stores 3 hormones. The first one is oxytocin, yes, and oxytocin is called the love hormone or the bonding hormone. It